This is elevator 37 at the Natali Student Center at PennWest, California, University of Pennsylvania. In California, Pennsylvania. Schindler 330A H2VR. Down resistant. Kind of dark. Go down to 1. A little closer. Kind of worked here. Go down. Go 1. Creaky. 3, which is student affairs. And turn it off. Back down to 2. The basic dark with like pot lighting stainless steel cab. I don't know what year this is from yet. It's like a white paint powder coat thing there. Go back to 2. There's also a Dover Impulse here and another 330 just like this one. 2014. I didn't think it was that new. I thought it was a little older than that. Yeah, close enough. That's gonna be it.